the APC case has been, the PDP case against the APC has been quashed. Now the people are here, and some people are not happy. This is Mazes live at the Supreme Court. So we are live here at the Supreme Court. There is confusion everywhere. Waiting be that one. Now arrest the arrest have been already. Yeah. So this is happening at the Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Before next thing now they go say with the live stream. They will come after me. Just share. Wall everywhere. Indecent dressing now. You turn the person back. Must you arrest the person? Yeah?
Your question should have been, what led to the arrest? There are some acts that he's trying to carry out and it's against us here. Videoing, they said no.
Inside the court or here?
As they were coming, I don't know her mission, and I don't care to know.
Yeah, but here now,
excuse me, I'm a staff of this court. There are some things that we don't do here.
Yeah.
Like APC court. Videoing. There's no identification if you're a journalist or not. You just wear something and you want to enter the same room. And as you're entering now, somebody's coming out that you started the video, they said no. So the DP now collected the phone from you and you now slap it.
Anyway, you see, that's Nigeria for you. The case has moved from recording to indecent dressing. Now, is now into slap and counter slap. This is unbelievable, but nonetheless, people, we are here. We'll be going to the High Court now, where we still have a case. Come, where is Chooks? Where is Chooks? Where is Chooks? Okay, come, Chooks. Chooks. I'm again.
I'm our colleague. I asked him a video Ghana. So, also, if I don't have previous times, short video is
No, I'm live. Why didn't they take my own? Now, mad people. When you were inside the court, now tell the world what actually happened. Introduce yourself. Sorry. If that person is a journalist to go.
No, the journalist Premium Times.
Premium Times, okay. So what happened in court today? I mean, you are privileged because I came late, but you are privileged to be inside the court today. And as a senior journalist, the rights on legal matters, the case between APC and, or rather PDP and APC, what happened today?
The courts are taking arguments on the previous dates. That was on a Monday.
Yeah, stay there.
So today the court then ruled on the issues that was primarily relating to the alleged double nomination of the vice presidential candidate of the APC, Shettima. Now the Court of Supreme Court has maintained today that not only does the PDP lack the local
so I should be there, you are insulting a uniform person.
She did not insult anybody, she was arguing.
The so-called double nomination never really happened. According to the panel, which was unanimous agreement of panel members, Justice Inyalukuru, Justice Jauro, Justice Amina Algir, Justice Ogunwumiju, and Emmanuel Agim unanimously held today that the issue of double nomination did not come before adjudication because the person duly notified the party of his intention to withdraw his senatorial candidates for the new central senatorial district before he was announced as the vice presidential candidate
of the APC.
Following which the party, based on his earlier letter dated 6th of July, forwarded the same to INEC on the 15th. So it was publicly announced on the 14th. And then the letters were forwarded to INEC on the 15th. So what they found was that in looking at the substance of the matter, he had already indicated that he was going to be nominated as vice presidency, and then he was no more interested to retain the ticket of the party for the Senate. So that intention was what they also looked at, that there was no intention to hold down double nominations. And they also claimed, the Supreme Court also held that there was no proof that he actually contested for vice presidency. Like all along he was contested for Senate. So there was no proof that he contested for vice presidency, which meant that it was when it became known to him that he was going to be vice presidency.
That's when he
vice presidential candidate, that he then announced or withdrew from the senatorial nomination. So by and large, what we gather here today is that there is no such issue as double nomination pending against the...
Yeah, but many Nigerians are basically saying that it is expected that this is about APC and it has always been their way of doing things. But looking at it as a judicial reporter and looking into the judgment that they were given, or that was given today, what's your own personal opinion? Do you think that justice was denied, or do you think that, looking at the legal argument, that there was some merits in the decision of the judges?
Yeah, there clearly was some merit in this position of learned honorable justices, because there is a principle in law that talks about locus, and that principle is that you must show injury you suffer personally in any action you want to do. So now they are asking the PDP, what was injury you suffered? If you have any injury, it has not even been activated at this stage, because this is a pre-election matter that arose from a primary of a political party. So to that extent, that principle was applied even from the lower courts, that's high court, Court of Appeal, and they also reinforced that principle, that there was no locus that could have activated the jurisdiction of the apex court to entertain this matter. So on the basis of all this put together, we can see that was founded in law. No matter what parties one may be sympathetic to, they only apply those principles of the law and interpreted it based on the facts also before them, the letters that were submitted showing withdrawal from senatorial candidacy of the fourth responder, that is the vice presidential candidate of the APC. So, by and large, those findings were actually based on.
So, is it also true that the PDP were fined 2 million naira for wasting the time of the court?
Yes, the PDP were giving extra 2 million naira cost. You recall that when this matter came before the Court of Appeal, there was also an award of 5 million naira. And the principle again guiding this is that the Supreme Court said that they are a policy court, and some of the policy decisions they make is to guard against bringing frivolous, what they said in quote, frivolous applications. That the lawyers ought to have known that this matter was frivolous in their own language, because that they did not participate. They were not aspirants during that primary. So based on that they want to make that policy, which is to dissuade people from bringing frivolous applications. So that was why they awarded for that 2 million in addition to the 5 million.
That is then called a double jeopardy. The appeal court awarded, no, High Court awarded them how much? Court of Appeal, 5 million against PDP.
Yes.
The Supreme Court, 2 million against PDP, meaning that case ought not to have seen the light of day, ab initio. Okay. Now, we are heading to the Court of Appeal for another case that is upcoming. What's time now? What's the time?
11:52.
11:52. So that case will be coming up 12:30. So if you're watching us live now on Ginger Media TV, stay online. We are just driving from here to that place. But this morning, the case between FCT versus the APC and Shettima Tinubu, where the residents of the FCT argue that for the fact that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not get 25% of the vote, that it is unconstitutional to swear him in as president. Today, something interesting happened, and I want to get your take on this. The judge did an awo on people. People say he ran away. Some people say he didn't show up. So what's your take on that?
That matter was basically to deliver a ruling on referral. That is to refer the matter to the court. That's what the FCT residents and voters were asking for. So the business of the court was to rule either to refer or to decline to refer. The court, perhaps, seeing the submission that were made, because the court earlier had asked them to bring 3 questions.
Yes.
To respond to 3 questions. One
That
of the questions relates to whether there was a locus on their parts
and jurisdiction
to jurisdiction, and whether there is already a similar matter
in the Presidential Election Tribunal.
Interpret 25%
Yes.
in the FCT, any other place.
That's correct. I was in court that day, yes.
So perhaps looking at those questions that these people have submitted the responses to, the court in this wisdom felt that it was better to leave it to the tribunal, to the presidential court to entertain.
But the court should say so. If that becomes what the court is thinking, they should say so.
That raises another issue of
Judicial independence.
not just judicial independence, even issues of fair hearing, because if the party has come before the court, they expect the court to decide that matter one way or the other. When that does not happen and the time lapses, where is the fair hearing? Where is the justice of the matter? So that is left for judicial policy makers to look at in the future. That if there is such application, it is bound on the court to rule one way or the other. To abandon it that way till the rest of the subject matter dies off, it's difficult to really situate.
Okay, so without wasting more time, let's now walk to the Court of Appeal. So people, that's the what's it called again? It's the issue of perjury, I think. Yeah, perjury
Against who?
Tinubu, that he lied under oath, and also the issue of his Guinean passport, that he lied under oath that he doesn't have any dual nationality. So people, you're live here at Ginger Media TV. We are leaving the, if you can see from my back, we are leaving the Supreme Court of Nigeria, and we are heading to the Court of Appeal. And it's for only one reason, is to keep bringing you this information live. You know, we are getting you this information live and direct, and we are getting you this information as it is hot. Now, for some of you who are just joining us, you may wish to please, by all means, share this live stream. Share this live stream and invite others to join us. This is happening live in Abuja, 3 days to the swearing-in of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as President-elect of Nigeria. Now, the question is, by all these cases happening, will he be sworn in as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, or would someone have the balls to decide a case before he is sworn in? So share the, for those of you who may also wish to support, you can support us with the super stickers and super chats. We would appreciate that. So I wouldn't go offline. So if you go offline, just stay with us. I'm not going offline. I'm just going to be driving now, but thanks goodness I have a camera holder in the car that would hold, and you guys will see what is happening. This is what we call pure journalism. Okay. Come, open the door from me here. Thank you. Okay, people, we are about to leave. Hold on. I don't want to stop the stream, because if I do, some of you will no longer. No, hold on. Let me change this. Because I want to. Don't worry. I want it to. We are doing this thing for the people. I know a lot of Nigerians are really. Okay, take this. A lot of Nigerians are really trying to understand what is happening, especially those of you in the diaspora. We are the ones here at home taking the bullets. So let's roll. Oh, let's on the air condition. This guy is really hot. Nigeria, they're hot, I tell you. So guys, 25% on the FCT case, the judge does an award. I know these people now at the gate. They may want begin to ask for money. So let me put my eyeglasses on so I couldn't see anybody's face, because we know they give shishi. Who they talk? Waiting. No car is in my back now. Waiting, they worry them. So guys, share. We are only less than 1,000 people here now. Waiting. Share, invite others. Actually, what is going to happen is, Queen on Ginger Media News, right? Here, ba? Are you not going? Which people be this one where we are uniform? Oh yeah, enter. Man.
Yes, here.
No, go enter from there.
From Eba?
No, from the other side.
Okay. It doesn't matter. Move the cameras.
Okay, I can see.
It doesn't matter.
Don't worry.
Move the camera from the back.
Hey, let me choose it. Somebody na Abia na akwaka.
Who be that one?
I don't mind. You have to open a junction.
Open this in for me.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Just want to follow you to the main road.
Be careful because of the tripod.
Yeah, don't worry. It's secure.
I beg, if that tripod break, now be say well again. So, like I said before, people, we are heading back to the Court of Appeal, and we will be expecting. So let me show us driving out the. This is us now driving out of the court. So you can see the security guys there. Usually now Nigerians, some of the security guys are corporate beggars. See them. They don't know say they're dead life. Yeah, I greet you too.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good. He said, "What a good night." They greet me. You see, he don't know WhatsApp. Oh, there.
They would have wanted you to open your boot.
No, where are they go out of court? So this is what they call the 3-arm zone. For those of you who have never been here, but you're watching us live on Njenge Media TV. So we're heading to the appeal court now. The 3-arm zone. At the back is the presidential villa, where the people in the office are living. And the people that are going out of government in the next 2 days, this is where they live. We don't want to interrupt this broadcast, so stay with us. Make your comments, like, share with others. That's the only thing you can do. You can make use of the super chat and the super stickers, you know, especially those of you in the diaspora. As we say, those at home, we are keeping faith and we're updating you guys as to what is happening. Now, while I was coming, the APC still have their members there protesting. And it is funny, I keep saying it in all my videos. It is funny that you won an election. You went to hire people to protest for us to recognize your mandate. I tell them if they have ears, they should look at how people were jubilating in the case of Abia State. That's left, right? No.
Okay.
Yeah? Left, right?
Yes, but wait, they want to drop.
Oh, you want to drop here? Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, now.
So, that's left or right, right?
Appeal, huh?
All left.
Is it appeal? No, I thought it's Federal High Court.
Oh, Federal High Court came with perjury matter.
Exactly.
Turn
So
here.
not appeal.
Turn here again.
I will turn again, I beg.
One for him.
Okay, where they say bonds come out now, make they not take you to election. I know that people. Okay. Normally, police are supposed to. Where are they? I think the protesters are
They
in
were
front.
standing in front.
Yes, I think the protesters are standing in front of Court of Appeal.
That's why I was confused when you said Court of Appeal. I said which one?
No. High Court. It should be High Court.
I know there's 2 cases.
So, those of you from the Niger Delta that are getting angry, this is the Federal Capital Territory that can qualify for one of the best cities, well planned, everything works, street light work. You see the street light now, I will stop, but these guys will beat it. Nigerians don't obey law. So it's not only about Isiam, this one, light says stop, he goes. See them in coastal buses. Nigerians are angry, they are breaking the law. Breaking the law. See police going. Police is even breaking law. Eh? See them here. Let me show you guys here. Before the light says we should. If you look here, you will see people learning how to do parade for in May 29th. They are learning how to. You see them there. That's the military guys there. So guys, support us. Share, like. Share, like, share, like. We're only 1,200 now. We can do better. How about? No be pure water would they take do all these things. And we are doing it for us to keep us updated. You are sitting in the comfort of your home. Some of you are drinking kunu like myself. You know? So let's like, share. I think my problem with the court of this high court now is that they don't have internet. Okay, see, the light says we should go. So we are going. We are now 1,276 and only 104 of you liked the video. The jet is flying everywhere. It's the hot. When I see that jet now, this is like bombardier. Wow. They hot. So they are trying to threaten Nigerians that may and are coming out to protest that we are seeing you from the air. We can, but we don't think anybody will be stupid to throw bomb on fellow citizens anyway. So see the jet is back. Let's see the jet here. You see the jet is back again. They are doing show-offs. So guys, you know, easy. So like I said, only 185 people are watching, less than 10%. Even if INEC cannot rig like this, make una like and share now. How about 189? Only 2 people just listen to. Oh, the light is still green. You see me? I want bit red light today. Okay, it's going yellow. That is at your own discretion now. Okay. So he done the hot. We are seeing the thing of the people here. The people are coming. 1,300 people. Let's make this happen. On my left is the court of Federal High Court.
No. Hey.
Eh?
Salman.
Come, now here, Naba.
No,
but,
no, the other side. Go down the other side.
Okay, sorry.
That's everything.
Would they allow us to? I think there is a place we can park. I think there is a car park behind it. So you can see these buses here, these one expert boxes. These buses are those that have come to protest. So people are heading to. See, so afterwards I will still come out to show us what is happening actually. So these are people going to the Unity Fountain. So we don't know if they are for or against, but all we know that Abuja they hot. Abuja they hot. I see they hot, and you can only know this that this can only come from Ginger Media TV, where we are on ground and we will bring you these things as they hot. So now the question is, where do we find parking space? No, they say no parking. Let me see if I can. If I think that space can enter me here. I think this space might enter me. Yeah, I can. I will use back. This one, the thing why they like. They use back park. So
I saw
let me.
I saw the photos. I say waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. This is really, really unexpected. Well, first of all, I want to congratulate you.
See, so guys. So this is the. You see the. I hope they will allow me with my cameras. No, this is the. This is the High Court here.
Okay, neck.
Bogodi Kingdom. Jigodi Kingdom never Mahano Court of Appeal, Kohano Federal High Court.
They call National Energy. I think there's National Energy Commission.
Because I'm from Osim Nahano here, but I can't see any of them.
Because that man is still in court fighting.
So this is the court. Finally, people, we are here.
That one is fighting for the past 4 years. His tenure had almost lapsed, and they have not returned his appointment.
So
he was the chairman. They use this. What is the name? This allowed this to replace him. And the man that yes. They are forging documents here. They will go and say, court said we should be here. When the Court of Appeal will restore this man to his position.
Okay. So guys. I broke what the +233 number. The other one. No, he says the 233 is no longer working.
This one says it's a commission.
So guys, get me that stand, please. Okay. So guys, we are at the courts now. So let's go. Let's refix all this for me. Let's change gears, then we can go. We are here. This is live update that you can only see on Ginger Media TV. No other place. Okay. we are good to go. So, off the car. Huh? Yes, just push it up. Push it up and do it like this here. When I need it, I'll tell you. Man, this weather hot. This weather hot. So, I hope they would allow me to go into the court while I'm live streaming. I don't know. We'll go there now.
You know this is a motor show spot.
Is it a motor show that is? Ekwe? Ekwo. Ah, that's a Bonyi man. Is it? Okay, Ekwo.